Hey YouTube, it's a beautiful summer day.
104 days of summer vacation.
And as you can see, I removed the front fairing on my Honda Rebel 1100T, as well as the saddlebags on the sides. And the reason for that is because today I will be installing the Burly Brand Sissy bar. Let's get started. Alright, let's open up this box. This looks like the backrest. Some instructions. It also looks like there's some hardware in there as well. And here's the Sissy bar. For this install, these are the tools that you will need. Alright, let's get started.
Let's get it started in here.
Alright, let's start by removing bolt 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so what do you guys think? So the whole reason I decided to get the Sissy bar is because I'm hoping to use this bike more as a daily driver, especially with gas prices and how they are right now. So I'm hoping that whatever bag I get, I can just slide it on here, tie it down, and just kind of use this bike as my daily. I'll eventually put the saddlebags back on and the fairing back on as well, but I guess my next question to you guys is, do any of you guys have experience with the Rebel 1100T saddlebags on this Sissy bar? Do you just use the original bolts in that instance? Please get back to me if you guys do know. Anyways, I did notice that the old seat kind of left some dust and crust all over this, so washing this bike is probably the next thing that I'll do. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time.